Today, I'll show you how to create an event in Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning is a powerful platform designed to improve your productivity and streamline your workflow. One of its key features is the ability to create and manage events, which is essential for keeping track of meetings, calls, and other engagements. To get started, first navigate to the relevant record. This could be an account, a contact, a lead, or an opportunity, depending on where you need to associate your event. Once you have the right record open, look for the New Event tab. This tab is usually located in the Activity section, making it easy to find and access. Click on the New Event tab to begin creating your event. This will open a new window where you can enter all the necessary details for your event. It's important to provide accurate and comprehensive information here to ensure everything is well organized and clear. Start with the subject field. This is where you'll add a clear and concise title for your event. For instance, if it's a meeting with a potential client, you might name it Client Discovery Call. Having a descriptive title helps you, and anyone else involved, quickly identify what the event is about. Next, you'll need to set the start and end date and time. This is crucial for ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding when the event is scheduled. Use the calendar and clock icons to select the appropriate date and time. Be sure to double-check these details to avoid any scheduling conflicts or misunderstandings. If your event has a physical location or if it's a virtual meeting, you can add this information in the location field. While this step is optional, it can be extremely helpful. For physical meetings, input the address so attendees know exactly where to go. For virtual meetings, you might want to paste in a link to a video call platform like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. This way, participants can easily join the meeting with just one click. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's correct. This is your last chance to make any adjustments before the event is saved and possibly distributed to other participants. Finally, click Save to create your event. Congratulations, you've successfully scheduled a new event in Salesforce Lightning. This event will now appear in the calendar of the relevant record, and you can access it anytime to make updates or changes if needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your schedule and ensure that all your important appointments and meetings are well organized. Remember, Salesforce Lightning is a flexible tool, so feel free to explore its other features to enhance your workflow even further. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.